So hello everyone, in the last video we talked about some attributes. So let's move forward and learn about what are field set. So field set are for grouping the input elements. So actually if you have created a big form, inside that if you have some portions which you want to group, for that you can use form field set. So that we can easily do with the help of field set. For that, let me just show you how you can do that. So you just have to write field set here, and then you have to close this field set, which will create a boundary around that form elements. Inside that, you can specify a legend or a legend tag. Legend will allow us to create like a heading for that boundary. So I can write, let's say, contact details. I am writing a contact details for that particular form in this section. So I can specify that. Also, you can increase the sizing by adding it into a heading if you want. So that will not come into a smaller size. Let me just show you the default casing first, then we'll style them. Then after that, you can specify your normal forms as you do for other ones as well. So I can create a label and write phone number, right? So I can create a label with a phone number. And after that, we have an input field which is input type text, and then there is a name, and then there is, let's say, not the text, it's phone number, not, it's number, phone number, yeah. And then similarly I can add a email here, email field. So the styling is up to you, you can style it anyhow, but we'll be having a section in which we'll be adding some styling as well. So I can add email here. So this is it. We created a section for contact details where we are asking for a contact details. Like you can see here, contact details, and now it is having this phone number field, and then there is email field. But you can see that there is one field set. What is this field set? It is nothing but a boundary, and then there is a legend tag we added, which is the heading for that boundary or that particular section. So by this you can create a form section, or you can group elements into one section as well. In a form, in a bigger form, you can create these kind of sections, so that will make that will look like it is separated from the other sections, so user can focus on that particular section as well. You can also specify the width. If you don't want this much width, you can specify the width to this 20 or 30%, and that will be smaller. Similarly, you can increase the sizing by adding it into an heading. So I can increase the heading to h2, let's say, so that contact details will be a little bit larger. So you can see that, but I think I have made some mistake that I haven't closed this. So you can close that. Now it will be good. I can see that it is a little bit fine now. So this is how you can add a field set around an elements or a form elements. You can also add a form, like you can give this heading to a normal form as well, like a complete form. Like you can write registration details, and all the registration details you can ask from that. So basically I'm saying that you can create anything inside this boundary. So you can add any group of field set or fields of input. So that will be looking like it is grouped inside this kind of box. So this is how we use field set. I hope you got the idea and how to use the field set by using this field set tag, and we wrap every element inside this field set, and then we specify the heading of that field set in a legend tag. Then we just normally write our normal input and labels. So this is how we add field set. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.